Create online courses with a talking AI instructor. Free AI tools tutorial. Want to create professional online courses without spending a dime on expensive tools? This tutorial shows you how to use free AI tools to build a complete course, including creating an AI-powered talking instructor that looks and sounds realistic. Follow this step-by-step guide to generate course content, videos, and visuals. Let's dive in. My name is Hone, and I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Today, I'm excited to share how we use AI to speed up market research, an essential process that often takes weeks, but can now be done in a fraction of the time with the right prompts. Step 1. Finding your course niche. The first step is identifying a niche that aligns with your expertise or interests. Use ChatGPT. Prompt: what are the best topics in AI for creating an online course? Example output: topics like generative AI, AI art, and making money with AI. Select a specific topic. We chose making money with AI generation tools after further research on its demand and relevance. Step 2. Generating the course outline. Once the topic is finalized, generate the structure for your course. Ask ChatGPT for a detailed outline. Prompt: create a detailed outline for a course on making money with AI generation tools, including modules and topics. Example output: Module 1, Introduction to AI Generation. Module 2, Tools for AI Art Creation. Module 3, Monetizing AI Art. Customize the outline. Add, remove, or tweak topics to suit your course goals. Step 3. Choosing a platform to host your course. You'll need a platform to upload and sell your course. Recommended platform: LearnWorlds, an AI-powered LMS, learning management system, designed for course creators. Set up your account. Sign up and create your school. Add your course title and description. Example: making money with AI generation tools. Upload content. Use the platform's intuitive dashboard to upload videos, create course pages, and track user progress. Step 4. Writing course scripts. Each module of your course needs a script. Generate scripts with ChatGPT. Prompt: write a detailed script for Module 1 of a course on making money with AI tools. Example output: welcome to Module 1. In this module, we'll explore the basics of AI generation, key tools, and how they are reshaping industries. Refine the scripts. Edit for clarity, tone, and engagement. Step 5. Creating voiceovers. Turn your scripts into engaging audio using 11 Labs, a free AI text-to-speech tool. Input the script. Paste the text from your first module. Select voice style. Choose from a variety of realistic male or female voices. Generate and download audio. Export the generated voiceover as an audio file. Step 6. Designing a talking AI instructor. Make your course more engaging by adding a virtual instructor. Create an AI instructor image. Use Krea AI to generate an instructor's portrait. Prompt: young, professional-looking teacher with expressive gestures, green screen background. Animate the image. Use Runway Gen 3 AI. Upload the image and select Portrait Mode. Generate a 10-second animated video of the instructor. Lip sync audio and video. Use Sync Labs for seamless lip syncing. Upload the animated video and voiceover audio. Generate a synced video. Remove watermarks. Use CapCut to crop or overlay the video, eliminating the watermark. Step 7. Assembling course videos. Bring everything together using a video editor like Filmora or CapCut. Import assets. Add AI instructor videos, voiceovers, and stock visuals. Edit for engagement. Use transitions, overlays, and effects. Add captions and emphasize key points. Export final video. Ensure high-quality output and consistency across modules. Step 8. Publishing your course. Now that your course is ready, it's time to upload it. Upload to LearnWorlds. Add modules, videos, and supplementary materials. Customize your course layout for a professional look. Set pricing. Offer free previews or promotional discounts. Promote your course. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to reach your target audience. Key tips for success. Choose a niche wisely. Focus on trending and in-demand topics. Leverage AI tools. Save time and improve content quality. Iterate and improve. Analyze feedback to refine your course over time. Conclusion. Creating an online course with an AI instructor is easier than ever thanks to free AI tools. From generating content to designing visuals and voiceovers, this guide provides all the steps you need to succeed. Get started today and launch your AI-powered online course to educate, engage, and earn.